How to start your own innovation project. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we talk about so many important things that lead your life into a better one. Nowadays we live in a fast-paced world, where innovation has become an essential component of any business, and creating your own innovation project can be a good experience. In today's video, we are going to talk about how we can start our innovation projects. If you follow these steps, you will be able to start your project successfully. If you are interested in starting your own innovation project, you should definitely watch this video without skipping it, but before starting the video be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. What is an innovation project? Innovation project means a document proposing implementation methods of innovation activity programs, resulting in the creation of new or significantly improved products, technologies, processes, and services. It has a well-established and relevant research and practice strategy concerning the proposed objectives, and also it is managed by experts in the study area and with the ability to work independently. Now let's take a look at what are the types of innovation projects. There are different types of innovative projects according to the approaches and objectives that support them, such as product innovation, service innovation, marketing innovation, process innovation, and business model innovation, to name a few. Product innovation is something that involves creating new products or improving existing ones to meet customer needs and expectations. For example, we can develop a new digital device with improved features. Service innovation involves creating new services or improving existing ones to meet customer needs and expectations. For example, creating an online platform to provide customer support. Marketing innovation involves creating new marketing strategies or improving existing ones to better promote a product or service. For example, using social media platforms to advertise a new product. Business model innovation involves creating new ways of doing business, such as changing the way we sell products and distribute them. Now let's get to know about how we can start our innovation project. First, you need to understand the current status of your business. It is hard to change something you don't know what you are changing. Therefore, it is a good idea to drill into the current state of operations first in your innovation program. We need to focus on how we view new ideas and the risks associated with them, how we react to failures, what kind of skills we need, and how we make decisions. It is important to look critically at the current state and define the phenomena that need to be changed for the desired change to succeed. It is good to set concrete goals for the change and include them in the goals of the whole project. Next, as the second step, we need to align with business strategy and objectives. The innovation programs of a successful organization are well in line with business strategy and objectives. By clearly informing the employees in advance of what types of ideas and innovations are we looking for, we can avoid the disappointment born out of situations where ideas that are potential but align poorly with the organizational goals are not taken further. The number of ideas and projects approved or selected for further development, and project processing time are some of the commonly used objectives that we need to identify in order to start our innovation project. The third step is research and analysis. Once you have identified your objectives and goals, you can gather information about your innovation project, and then you can analyze your objectives. This may require analyzing market trends, studying the solutions which are already existing, and gathering reviews and feedback from potential customers. This information will help you to take decisions and have a proper understanding of your project and what you are doing. Make sure to take information from the most trusted parties and analyze it carefully before start planning your innovation project. Then, as the fourth step, we need to pilot with the interested people. Almost without exception, innovation projects are best spread throughout the organization by piloting them with the most excited and enthusiastic units first. Enthusiastic leaders inspire enthusiasm in their groups and show the importance of the program with their own example and participation. In enthusiastic units, the implementation of the best thoughts and ideas comes quickly, which makes a positive cycle of participation. If there are no truly enthusiastic units interested in piloting, there is a need to essentially evaluate the management's commitment to the project and the meaning of continuing the project. The next step is creating motivation to participate. The most important thing in keeping the participants motivated is to recognize active participants, relevant ideas, and good results. The valuable input of people managing the idea process and reviewing them is also good to keep in mind when planning acknowledgements. It is very important to keep motivated your staff to get the best result from them. Here are some ways to create motivation among employees. You can compliment and give rewards to those who have worked so hard and who have brought achievements. And also you can provide opportunities and a good atmosphere for employees or members to grow and learn. And also at the same time, you can make sure the staff can understand their roles and have a clear idea about their goals and objectives. The sixth step is one of the most important steps, and that is planning the project. Once you have gathered the information and discussed objectives and issues, you can start planning your project. Your plan should consist of a timeline, a budget, and specific goals that you need to achieve along the way. Your plan should also be flexible, as innovation projects can often change course as new information arises. It is a good idea to draw up an action plan. It should include a launch event, communication plan, training plan, and monitoring key performance indicators. The next step is execution. Now you have your plan drafted in your hands, and it is the time to execute your plan to the world. In order to execute your plan successfully, you can create a timeline, assign roles and responsibilities, and monitor progress. And also one of the most important things is to celebrate your achievements and success. So then you can execute your plan and achieve your desired objectives. Then launch your innovation project. Once you have executed your plan and made any necessary improvements, it is time to launch your innovation project. The project should be launched visibly to the audience, using all possible ways you can. You can simply do a marketing campaign to shoot your project to an interested audience, and also you can put advertisements on social media platforms and newspapers to spread interest and support for your project. Choose interesting and exciting ways to reach your audience and try to build trust among your customers. Remember, launching your innovation project to the world should be an important step, because from that onwards your project will start appearing in this world and maybe it will start changing this world. The final step is to monitor and develop your innovation project. You can generally discuss the current situation of your project and monitor your project each and every day to get updates and improve mistakes. And also it is a good idea to meet regularly with the innovation team and review the status of the operations. You can encourage feedback from customers and team members. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. It is also important for program team members to submit their own improvement proposals to them and set an example of an open co-development approach. Accept failure as a learning opportunity and use it to make improvements and development to your innovation project. Do not discourage by your failures and always try to encourage experimentation and risk-taking to raise a culture of innovation. Starting an innovation project is not rocket science, but it definitely is a process with important issues to keep in mind. You must have the proper knowledge and be active about it to really succeed in starting your project. By following these steps, you'll hopefully start and launch a successful innovation project. Just remember to pay attention to every step and explore the best ways to operate in your team. If you have already started an innovation project or have something to add to these tips, share your thoughts in the comments below. Good luck with your innovation project starts. I hope this video was informative to you, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you soon with another interesting video. Until then, like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to our channel.